going on, y'all? Happy Monday. We out here getting the money. It is 2 o'clock yet? It is 2 o'clock now in the morning. We about to go over to ATL 6 to pick up to go to Decatur, Georgia. So I just got to do the good old pre-trip inspection really quick. Bruh. ELD all plugged in and ready to go. So we about to go to ATL 6 like I said. So yeah, y'all, see y'all on the flip side. Facility. Alrighty, oh, we are empty today. I'm about to back into this, y'all. Hold up. It's really a light day out here. It's so light out here, so light. So today, let's see how many stuff I have. Hopefully it's not too much, but I know they pissed. They getting held up. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. They are pissed. I know they are pissed because they are being blocked in. Oh, hopefully they ain't late. Y'all, this is probably honestly gonna be my easiest night at Amazon. I'm already done. It's been less than almost 20 minutes. And I'm already on my way to the place. I had 2 pallets. Two pallets. 2 pallets, y'all. 2 pallets. So I'm about to go on my way to this Decatur. It's gonna be the easiest night, y'all. $230 for 2 pallets? I wasn't even making that in an 8-hour day for my shifts. Thank you, God. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in a second. All right, y'all, I just unloaded my two pallets at the post office. And now I'm on my way to park my truck, and I will see y'all in the recap. Hello, y'all. Welcome to the recap video. Let's get right into it. I want to give a huge shout out to Box Truck David. I saw that you subscribed to my channel. It was a couple weeks back, but I meant to put you in the video, but I absolutely forgot. So huge shout out to Box Truck David. I watched you before I even got into the trucking thing. So huge shout out to you. So today we had 2 pallets from Amazon. Easiest run that I've ever done with Amazon. 2 pallets. And what had happened was there was somebody else that was going to Decatur and they came before me. So then when I was checking out with the lady at Amazon, she was like, you could have just took these. But what happened was, see how that works? Because if he had taken those, then I would have got canceled. But God. So I did a total of 61 miles today. And that was the day, including deadhead from the truck to Amazon. And then from USPS, the post office, back to where I parked my truck. Total miles 61. We had a deadhead of 26.9 miles. We had a total payout of $230.88. The rate per mile, which Amazon was giving me, was $7.86. My cost per mile is $1.25 approximately. And then my final rate per mile after deadhead and all that good stuff is going to be $3.78. So that was a really good trip. I'm actually doing that same route again tonight. And I did it, I think, twice last week too. So yeah, they got me on this Decatur route. But y'all, it was a great route and that was my only stop for tonight. So, last night. But y'all, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Please make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of the latest content. Thank you all so much for your support. But yeah, y'all, until next time, stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all